As you guys can see, I've downloaded Instagram plus plus on my Android device. Watch this video till the end because I'm gonna show you a step by step how you can download Instagram plus plus on your device. So let's get started. Yo, what is up guys? Trix is here, and today I will show you how you can download Instagram plus plus on your device. This is the part 2. So let's get started. First thing that you need to do, you just need to open Google Chrome. Then you need to search GBay Insta. Once you did that, you should scroll down until you see this link. Click on that and then scroll down again until you see download now. Click on that and then you should click here, and after that the GB Insta will download on your device, and this is how it looks. It's literally same as Instagram, and that has cool features like you can view the profile. So yeah, that's how you can download Instagram plus plus on your Android device. So thanks for watching and I'm out. Peace.